Imagine a child, any child, white, black, blue. Imagine a rainbow nation filled with millions of children who are given the gift of a good education. Imagine an app that opens the door to that education and helps to integrate cultures, changing the future of these children, who in turn change the future of a country, and who knows, maybe one day even change the world. Introducing the Abuti Syllabus Story Building app, combining task-based learning and creativity, focusing on life skills, and soon available in multiple languages. Also, the funds generated by the app directly support initiatives like the Bafenyi Trust to ensure we reach as many children as possible. So let's see how the app works. First, choose a language and a part of speech, like nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. Then, do a little pre-teaching of vocabulary to prepare the students for the task. Now the fun really starts. The students choose and record the words to finish the sentences.
A house, house. A shop, shop. A hospital, hospital.
Then they draw a picture of the words. Next, take a photo of the drawings. Finally, choose some music. Then sit back, watch, and enjoy your story.
My family and I live in
a house.
We always go to
A shop, shop.
We often pass
A hospital.
Congratulations! Your story is now ready to share with teachers, friends, and family. And here's the best part. 50% of all profit goes towards developing educational materials that promote the integration of cultures. The other 50% goes towards providing children with educational toys and teacher training. The more teachers we train, the more lives we change. It's that simple. Just go to the Play Store online and download the Abuti Syllabus Story Building app. You can also visit our website to see what other language learning materials we have to offer. Also, visit our YouTube channel to see what we are up to.
Are you ready, kids? Stand, sit, walk, sleep.
The Abuti Syllabus Better World Project. Together, we can make the world better.